Hey everybody, in this video we'll talk about finding the next terms of an arithmetic sequence with integers. So we're told that we are given the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence, negative 17, negative 14, and negative 11. Now we want to find the next two terms of the sequence. So what we need to do is we need to find kind of our difference that's happening in the sequence, or what we're adding to each term. So to get from negative 17 to 14, I know it's arithmetic, so I know I'm going to add. I add 3. To get to negative 14 to 11, I add 3. So to get to my next term, I need to add 3. So negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8. And then to get to my next term, again, I need to add 3. Negative 8 plus 3 is a negative 5. So there's one example of finding the next terms of an arithmetic sequence. Here's our second example here. We have the first three terms of the arithmetic sequence, which are told to find the next two terms. So how do I get from the first term to the second term? I know I need to add something because it's arithmetic. Now I'm subtracting 6. Now with arithmetic we're always adding, so I'm adding negative 6. From negative 3 to negative 9, I also add negative 6. So there's my common difference there. Now, how do I get to my next term? From negative 9, I need to add negative 6. So I will get negative 15. And then, from negative 15, I need to add negative 6 again to get my next term. That's my fifth term. And I will get negative 21. So there you go. Finding the next terms of an arithmetic sequence with integers.